Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello trader, welcome to my channel. My name is Roland and let's get started. We are trading here binary options, of course, with the most profitable and straightforward strategies, so you will get them and we will be in profits together. So let's get started. Even the beginners will get it, so take notes guys, repeat after me and let's start. Also, don't forget about the Telegram channel. You will find there a lot of news, a lot of information, and VIP signal, VIP channel with signal, VIP group with signal. So waiting for you guys. Don't waste your time, don't waste the money, and profit. So let's get started. Don't forget about the subscriptions to YouTube and Telegram channel. Don't forget about a like, comments, and waiting for your sharing of emotions, how much you get from market by this strategy. So let's get started. Let me just today we got a little more than $100 on the balance. We're trading on a 1 minute time frame as usual and for the maximum deposit amount. Let's pick up the current indicators today. It's gonna be Keltner channel and stochastic. That's pretty simple. Let's set the period to 20 on stochastic. We set the overbought zone to 70, and our sold zone is 30. Try this setup in your own trading. Everything is super simple. You will learn this strategy and will be able to make good money by the end of this video, guys. So take notes, open the charts, and trade with me. Let's get down to trading and start analyzing. So we find the most profitable payout trade and choose the better trade entry. So I don't want to open here so far. We can open here position. And updating of the local minimum, and correction takes place to the upward. So we see the stochastic is in the oversold zone right now, so we play ahead of the market again, and let's just watch, simple as that. And the breakdown should happen at the end, because this massive correction should be over now. Let's watch. Yep, take a look guys, the breakdown seems to be happening. Yep, we're in the profits. First position is in profit. I'm glad to see that. That's great. As before, in the last seconds, let's change the trading amount. Let's put the maximum amount. Let's continue analyzing and find the next currency pair. We're looking for the most profitable payout trade. Again, I will repeat it. So we see updating of the local maximum is happening, local high, and let's open a short position. Here everything is simple. Let me clarify the trade entry. We see that the flat took place here and there was a huge pump from this local low, very strong upward dynamics. The local high has been updated here, and then this correction, so the correction should be more or less equal to the pump. Alright, so here's the correction, and yeah, Okay. And we see the same on stochastic, same picture, very strong upward dynamics that tells us that the price is likely to go down. That's why we open the short position here, and they're around 8 seconds. Alright, and our position, second one, is in profit. So they're almost at $400 on the balance, so there's no stopping. Let's keep it going, right? So yeah, guys, let's continue. Today we have a nice trading session. I want to remind you about a Telegram channel. You will find there a lot of signals, so don't waste your time. Let's get there and let's continue. Find another concept pair. I guess there's a good trade entry here. Let's open long position. I'll point out the workspace. First of all, we take a look at the stochastic. We understand that the upward dynamics dominates here, and we play ahead of the market again. We understand that this is a clear uptrend. The updating of the local high took place here, and then a strong correction followed up. The price broke the Keltner channel down here, and then there was a small pullback to the upside. Now the price is retesting the Keltner channel, and it's gonna enter this channel after all and continue going up in the near future. That's why we opened the long position here. We can also point out that the candle has a long shadow, which is basically a bullish signal, and our position has been closed in the next 2 seconds. And come on, shit. Our position close to with the zero, not such a bad thing. Okay, that's all right. The principle is exactly the same. I opened again the second position, absolutely identical explanation, but here we have an extra signal. I mean this red candle. It has long shadow on both ends, which enhanced our signal for opening along. We can also point out the support zone. Here the price hit it 3 times, and we're expecting another rebound. So here, here, and here, those 3 times, and we expect a rebound. As you see, the breakout is gaining momentum. It's quite simple. In the previous long position, the candle abruptly went down in the end. But anyway, we didn't lose anything. There was a mistiming. But now we're gonna be in profits. It's almost guaranteed. And basically, our position is in profit. Nice. So if you have a similar situation, you should always open additional positions. Use the martingale strategy, and in this way you will always be in profit. So don't worry, and let's continue our trading session to find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We need highest payout rates. I see potential correction here, so let me explain the principle of the trade entry here. We understand that the stochastic just flashed the signal. So let's start. So here it was, but it didn't go lower. Instead, it went to the upside, and the price is holding at this level. A downward dynamics is required here. We can also notice that the candle has a long shadow. It tells us that the price should go lower following the trend, and the price should be over, right? That's why we open the long position here. We open ahead of the market. So because the stochastic hasn't crossed with a profit. Stochastic doesn't cross this line yet, but we see it coming. And look, the breakdown is happening. 3, 2, 1. Yes, we're in a profit. Nice. Position is in profit. Also, it was close. The price recovered to the upside a little bit, but anyway, we would open an extra position if we ended up with 0. So we could lose here. The worst case scenario was to end up with 0. So you see the price is going up, going down. Now let's refresh the page, carry on analyzing and find the next currency pair. We are interested in the highest payout trades, like here. So let's open. Let's open a short position right away. Very good trade entry, guys. We played ahead of the market. We see that the moving average on the stochastic doesn't cross the line and stays in the overbought zone, so we can assume that the price should go lower. The downward dynamics took place, and now we can observe the same. So this zone identifies the correction after the updating of the local low, and the price is very likely to continue its downward momentum. As simple as that. We are playing ahead of the market again, so we're gonna expect the breakdown at the end, and our position should be in profit. So there is nothing to be afraid of, and let's just wait. Okay. And here's the breakdown, and we're in the profits. Nice, pretty well, pretty delicious, you know. So changing the trade amount. Okay, we forgot to do that for the previous position, but it's okay. Just waste some of money. It's not a problem. We're gonna find the most profitable payout trades and trade them back. So take a look at this pullback, guys. We're gonna play this out and open a short position. We missed the timing a little bit, but it's fine anyway. It's better to open at this level. The downward dynamics takes place here. The crossing on the stochastic has happened, so this correction should be over by now, and the price should go down because we consider this zone as a correction, and basically everything should be fine here, and our position should end up in profits. We're playing ahead of the market, and the breakdown should happen at the end. There are around 20 seconds left before the closing, so yeah, 20 seconds. Let's just watch, let's just wait. Okay, we're in a profit. As I said, everything is simple, and we got it. So we played ahead of the market, and our position has been closed in plus. So let's find another concept pair. So most profitable payout trade. Let's open 2 long positions here. We should stick to the technical analysis here. I kept this concept pair on purpose. If we look at the stochastic, the moving average is almost at the top, right? This correction reached the 70 zone here. If we look at the dynamics, the price go up as a rule. There was a strong upward dynamics, and after this correction, the price should continue going upwards. So now it's not gonna be an exception. There are around 22 seconds left. I want to point out low volatility here, so this is a correction trade entry. Now we already have a nice breakout. The local high should be updated. Let's just watch the price movement, and meanwhile another position is on profit. Now let's continue. Let's open some final positions, I guess. We're interested in the highest payout trade as always. Okay, and yeah, let's open few more positions on this currency pair again. I'll point out the word space. So absolutely the same trade entry, guys, as the previous one, but here we observe the double bottom pattern, and this candle has a long shadow, which is a bullish signal. So, and we're gonna expect the breakout to the upside, and we open the long position here following the uptrend, and good breakout is happening now. That was really easy. We understand that a strong upward dynamics dominates here. Nice, good breakout, as I said, as I predicted. So all of these strategies, guys, you can see in my Telegram channel. You can ask me for them. We can discuss them. I can help you with every questions. Just let me know, just text me. Me or my managers will help you a lot with this. They're professionals too. They're asking me about help. So yeah, we will work together. And we already got $8,000 on our balance. Let's open final positions in order to consolidate our gains, and then I'll be happy with the profit. So let's find another currency pair, right? We need what? Text me in the comments. Highest payout rate. Let's open here 8 long positions. I'll tell you the secret, guys, why I did it. The principle of this trade entry is absolutely the same. This is the secret, right? The third position in a row, so we open long positions here every time. The updating of the local high is gonna happen in the near future here. That's why we understand that the price should go upper, and I'm sure that we're not gonna lose here, because this is a very simple trade entry. I'll zoom in to make it more clear for you. I'm gonna mention one more time that a strong upward dynamics takes place here. Meanwhile, we see this low volatility candles, so the upward dynamics has been forming step by step. So if there was a strong impulse, the price would have gone into correction long ago, but we don't see this impulse, and our position is in profit. Is in profits, guys. Nice. So we succeed for the 3rd time in a row, and I'm glad to see $15,000 on the balance, guys. We just multiplied our balance from the last 8 positions, and let's move on to withdrawal. Let's withdraw $10,000, I guess. Yep, nice. There we go, and our transaction is being processed, guys. So that's it. That's our trading strategy for today. Use it. I want to use this strategy in your trading. Share with me, with your experience, with your emotions, how much you get in the profit from that strategy. I'm gonna be happy to listen to that. You can text me in a private messages on Telegram channel. I'll be happy to listen to them, help you with them, to make you more professional, you know. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day, have a good market. Telegram, YouTube, don't forget subscriptions. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.